Enhances car performance by improving heat dissipation, reducing wear, boosting conductivity, and protecting engine components for longer life. My today's video is about top 5 best carbon graphene pastes for cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Adams Advanced Graphene Ceramic Coating. Adams UV Graphene Ceramic Coating represents a breakthrough in automotive protection, combining advanced nanotechnology with practical ease of use. Its clear, nanocrystalline formula shields your vehicle from harsh weather, UV rays, chemicals, and dirt, providing an impressive 10H hardness and protection lasting over 7 years. The patent-pending ceramic glow technology ensures flawless application, allowing both professionals and enthusiasts to achieve perfect coverage without missing a spot. Enhanced with 50% more coating resin and additional silicate components, this graphene coating delivers ultra-high gloss and incredible depth of color, while offering superior scratch and stain resistance. Its extreme hydrophobic properties and slick finish repel water and dirt, keeping paint, glass, headlights, wheels, and trim pristine. The versatile formula is safe on various surfaces including clear coats, vinyl wraps, and lacquer finishes, reducing the risk of swirl marks during washing. Proudly crafted in the USA, Adams Graphene Coating promises professional-grade results, long-lasting durability, and unmatched customer satisfaction, making it a top-tier choice for car enthusiasts seeking ultimate protection and shine. Now our second product is Adams Graphene Boost. Adams Advanced Graphene Spray Coating takes vehicle protection to the next level with cutting-edge graphene ceramic resins. This water-based formula creates an ultra-slick surface that effectively beads and repels water, dirt, and other contaminants, enhancing both aesthetics and longevity. Designed to be applied over existing coatings, sealants, or waxes, it extends the life of your current protection while offering a standalone sealant option that lasts 6 to 9 months. Specifically engineered to boost the hydrophobic properties of Adams ceramic coatings, this spray replenishes and reinforces the water-repelling layer, ensuring your vehicle maintains its glossy, protected finish over time. Its versatility allows it to work on non-coated vehicles as well, providing professional-grade protection without the complexity of multi-step applications. Lightweight, easy to apply, and highly effective, Adams Graphene Spray Coating combines advanced chemical technology with practical convenience, delivering a resilient, slick surface that resists dirt, reduces water spots, and keeps your paint looking showroom-ready with minimal effort. Our third product is Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions. This advanced car wax sets a new standard in automotive protection and aesthetics. Its proprietary formula combines 10 premium waxes infused with ceramic and graphene polymers, creating a durable barrier that repels water, dirt, and contaminants while safeguarding your paint. Beyond protection, it enhances your vehicle's appearance by unlocking brilliant gloss, vibrant color depth, and unmatched slickness, making every surface look professionally detailed. The wax's super hydrophobic properties deliver extreme water beading, causing water to sheet off instantly, preventing spots, and accelerating the drying process, perfect for maintaining that freshly waxed shine. Application is effortless, whether by hand with a foam applicator or using a machine polisher, even under direct sunlight, making it ideal for both enthusiasts and professionals. Versatile and multi-surface compatible, it works on all paint types, clear coats, chrome, aluminum, glass, wheels, and headlights, providing complete coverage and protection. This wax combines cutting-edge graphene technology with practical ease of use, making it a must-have for anyone seeking long-lasting shine and defense. Now number 4, Luxani Graphene Ceramic Spray Coating. Luxani Graphene Spray Coating redefines vehicle detailing with its advanced graphene-infused formula. Using cutting-edge graphene chemistry, it forms a molecular hybrid barrier that bonds directly to paint, delivering extreme slickness, superior hydrophobic performance, and a durable, detailer-grade gloss that surpasses traditional ceramic sprays. Its powerful water-repelling properties ensure rain, dirt, and grime slide off effortlessly, keeping cars, motorcycles, RVs, and boats cleaner for longer while reducing maintenance between washes. the coating produces a deep, mirror-like finish, enhancing color, clarity, and depth for a showroom quality shine that truly stands out. Built on graphene's ultra-dense structure, Luxani offers long-lasting protection against UV rays, oxidation, and corrosion, maintaining brilliance and durability far beyond ordinary coatings. Application is simple and efficient. Just spray on, buff off, and enjoy a streak-free, high-gloss layer in minutes. Each kit also includes a signature car freshener, adding a refined scent to the detailing process, combining professional-level protection, aesthetics, and convenience in one premium package. And our last choice is Cerakote Ceramic Trim Coat Kit. Cerakote Trim Coat Kit is a game-changer for restoring and protecting automotive plastics. Its advanced ceramic technology bonds directly to your vehicle's trim, restoring faded surfaces while shielding them from harmful UV rays. Unlike traditional products, this coating offers long-lasting durability with an industry-leading 200+ wash rating, ensuring your trim stays protected and vibrant wash after wash. Application is quick, simple, and mess-free. After cleaning and drying your trim, the pre-saturated wipes included in the kit allow you to achieve a like-new finish effortlessly, no greasy sprays, sticky gels, or complicated steps. Each kit comes with gloves and 10 individually packaged wipes, making the process clean, convenient, and satisfying from start to finish. Cerakote Trim Coat delivers professional-grade results at home, combining restoration, protection, and ease of use in one package. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to maintain their vehicle's aesthetics and keep exterior plastics looking refreshed and durable for years. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.